This video is about criteria segregation. This is step 3 in your 7-step process. Launch the XpertUS AHP software from your desktop. And if you then look at the preferences, you will see that extract obligatory criteria is grayed out. Let's load a file here. Open. Let's take a house purchase file which I have already evaluated and ranked. And if you look at the results, you have the criteria and the candidates. Now if you go to preferences, you will see the extract obligatory criteria is grayed out. This is because this function is only available when you have only criteria. So let us now go back and open a file that actually contains only criteria, and we say open. And let's go to the criteria page, and you see there are criteria and no candidates. If you look at this, now you have the extract obligatory criteria available to us. The next thing we need to do is go to the judgment page and use AHP and rank these criteria. In the interest of time, I have already done the ranking and we now have the results. If you see, the results are displayed in the same order in which the criteria were presented. By clicking on this weight tab twice, you can sort it from the criteria that has the highest weighting to that which has the lowest weighting. This is where we initiate criteria segregation. Go to preferences and hit extract obligatory criteria. When you do that, you see this window. We have the criteria from top to bottom with their weights, but you also have an additional column which is called the cumulative weight, which is where the criteria weights are added up sequentially until it gets to 100% as expected. If you now look at these weights, you will see some of these criteria have very low weights. Its contribution to the evaluation is minimal. Since we recommend that you don't have more than 8 to 10 criteria, we need to cut this off. At this point, we can see the total percentage weight is around 82 and 87. So let's say around 85. So what I do is I put 85 here, which is a number for cutting off. And when I say OK, you will find that the criteria below that will be deleted. Yes, now we only have 9 criteria. And we can once again click here and see the sort out. What is also interesting is the criteria have now been weighted. What the process did was it removed the criteria that have an insignificant role in the evaluation and distribute its weights among the other criteria. The next step is add candidates and complete the evaluation. You don't have to reevaluate the criteria because the weights have already been assigned. Hope this helps. Give it a try yourself. Thank you for watching.